Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage storage on Signal, follow this simple guide to free up space by deleting old messages, media, and managing data usage effectively. Step 1. Open the Signal app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to access your Signal settings. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Data and Storage to view storage-related options. Step 4. Tap on Manage Storage to see a breakdown of how much space Signal is using on your device. Step 5. Review the list of conversations and see which chats are consuming the most storage space with media attachments. Step 6. Tap on Review Conversations or individual chats to manage their storage. You can delete old media while keeping message text. Step 7. Select conversations or media categories you want to clear, then tap Delete to free up space. Step 8. To prevent future storage issues, adjust Media Auto-Download settings under Data and Storage to control when Signal downloads photos and videos automatically. Step 9. Consider enabling Delete Old Messages if available, which automatically removes messages older than a specified time period. Step 10. Exit settings and verify that your storage usage has decreased in your device's general storage settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.